Hello YouTubers, thank you for watching BCM. My name is JD. So today I've been thinking of doing a really short tutorial or even call it a preview for how to do chicken biryani. If you guys think that this is something which you guys have been interested on for a really long time, this would be the right one, and I hope you guys enjoy what I've done. And it's just a simple tutorial on how and what things I needed to add on the biryani. I would be going in depth in my coming versions. This is just my version 1, a simple basic tutorial for just 2 minutes on what you need to add and how you need to go about it. See how you guys think about it and let me know in the comment section below on what I need to improve and what you guys think I should have added, and maybe I could do that on my next versions as I go along. And with that being said, I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed the video which I just showed you guys. This is just a preview again, and in the later coming days I'll be doing a bigger version on how I actually do each and every step. So I'll be giving you a closer picture and closer view on all the ingredients which I'm adding as I'm doing on the pan or on the cooker. Doesn't really matter, but I'll make sure that you guys get the experience which you guys deserve. And with that being said, this is what I do. People who are new to this channel, my name is David. And one of the important things which I do in this channel is to help people believe in themselves, care about themselves, and to motivate themselves to do more. And this is the exact platform which you guys want to be watching if you guys want to do more in your life, and how to go about it, and how to get yourself motivated, and how to get yourself excited in doing more things in your life. With that being said, if you guys think this is something which interests you and if you guys want to watch more on what I'll be doing, please do hit the subscribe button there, and I will see you guys next week with another episode of BCM. Peace out.